Mittens and the Cold Milk by Christopher Mendoza. My milk is cold. I hate cold milk. Hate it, hate it. I just hate it. I'll bet if I tried as hard as I couldn't possibly think of anything worse than some cold. Ding! Okay. Soggy pants, maybe? Nope. There's nothing in the world worse than cold milk. Note: don't pour water on their bottoms. Mommy! The end. Da-da.